Look into my eyes and don't look away. You ever made eye contact with somebody and then after that you look away real quickly and you're like, if so, this video is for you. Welcome back to the best place for introverts, where I help you learn how to become and remain confident. All right, so by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to hold eye contact without being awkward or feeling weird about it. Hey, let's face it, it can get pretty weird looking at somebody's eyes, just looking at it. Looking, right? But here's something you can do to not be awkward about it. If you usually look away once you make eye contact with somebody, think about this. Think about changing how you view that person or that person's self-image. Because if you see that person as bigger than you, better than you, or above you in any way, it's possible you may feel as if you can't look that person directly in the eye and it'll cause you to look away. But if you see that person as an equal, everything changes. It's like, okay, I'm equal, you're not better than I am, I'm not better than you are. Equal, same playing field. And on top of that, if you look away, it'll make you seem as if you're being intimidated easily, or if you're scared or timid. But after you change how you see that person, you keep eye contact with them, they won't see you as that way. And they may even respect you even more because you'll come across as more calm, confident, and also in control. But I'm gonna leave you with this too. When you make eye contact with the person, don't look at them like this. Because if you do that, they'll probably look away and walk away. Because if somebody looked at me like that, I would walk away too. I would probably run away if you looked at me like that. Just saying. All right, so after you got that out of the way, now it's time to shift your focus off of you after you make eye contact. Because let's face it, a lot of us will make eye contact, then begin to overthink how long to have eye contact with this person. What is this person thinking about me? But you gotta stop that, Once you make eye contact with the person, get the focus off of you and think about what the person is gonna say. Focus on what the person is saying rather than what you're gonna do or how you're gonna reply to it. Because if you're focusing on what you're gonna say, what's gonna happen is you're gonna tune out what they're saying and you won't be actively listening to what the person's saying overall. And also, when you take the focus off of yourself, it gets you into the zone of where you don't have to think about what you're gonna do. Your body will automatically respond to any question the person have, or any gesture or anything along those lines. You'll respond automatically to it without having to think about it, which is the way it should be. And also with this, you'll come across as more engaging. You won't seem scared or intimidated either, because they'll look at you, they'll start talking, you'll be listening back and forth. But when you hold eye contact, don't hold it for too long. It's okay to break it after, say, 5 to 10 seconds. You don't want to just look at them like and not be engaging with the conversation or having any kind of response, because that's kind of weird and they'll probably think you're zoned out when you're talking to them. So try to avoid that if possible. And if you're not able to hold eye contact with the real person due to everything that's going on, or overall you don't feel comfortable doing it, the world's not over. It's not over. There's one more option you can do. You have a mirror or a smartphone or any kind of phone. Look into your reflection, look at your eyes and stare at it. You can do it for a minute, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Whichever one feels more comfortable to you, then you can build your way up. And as you're doing that, you're getting used to looking into, yes, it's your eyes, but you get used to looking into eyes in general. So once it happens with the real person, you're like, okay, make eye contact. Then if you want to talk to the person, talk to them, wave at them, smile at them, whatever you want to do. But one thing you won't be doing is looking away once you make eye contact with that person. And you won't be awkward. You won't be shy with it. And if you don't want to speak to the person or hold a conversation, you can make eye contact, smile, go on about your day. And hey, if you can't hold eye contact right off the bat, the first time, second time, or even the third time, don't beat yourself up over it. It takes time. It's not going to be a one-day thing or a first-time thing. Take your time with it. Let it build up over time. Confidence happens over time as you work it and build it up. It's not a one-time thing. It's not a one-day thing. It takes time, over and over and over. Repetition. That's all it is. Like I said, be kind to yourself, be nice to yourself, go easy on yourself, because think about this, you're your own best friend. If your best friend was messing up on something, would you beat that best friend up verbally for messing up, or would you be like, hey, it's okay, keep on trying, you got this? Most likely, if you're a good friend, you'd say, yeah, you got this, you cheer them on. Do the same thing for yourself as you go throughout these days and do these challenges and these videos. What the things I'm talking about in the videos. Be with yourself, be your own cheerleader, and kick butt. That's all I ask. And also let me know how things go, because I love seeing y'all get the results y'all getting. So let me know in the comment section if the things work in this video. Hey, if you got any value from this video, share it with a friend, family member, or anybody that has a problem or struggling with holding eye contact with anybody. And also, if this video gave you any value, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, and comment your favorite part or what you learned from the video, if you learned anything. But thank you for making it to the end of the video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Take care.